Some people are like dark clouds. When they disappear, it's a beautiful day. We all know them. The narcissists, the complainers, the energy vampires. They try to provoke you, drain you, and pull you down into their chaos. Usually, we react with anger. We defend ourselves. We fight back. But the Stoics knew a secret. Reacting is losing. When you get angry, you hand over your power to them. Today, we will learn how to make toxic people completely powerless using 5 ancient Stoic psychological weapons. Weapon number 1. The art of not being like them. Marcus Aurelius gave us the ultimate piece of advice for dealing with enemies. He said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Toxic people want to drag you into the mud. They want you to yell, to argue, to be petty. If you do that, you become just like them. They win. The moment you stay calm while they are losing their mind, you destroy their plan. Your peace is their punishment. Weapon number 2. The gray rock method. A toxic person feeds on drama. They need your emotional reaction, like a vampire needs blood. If you deny them that reaction, they starve. Be like a gray rock, boring, unresponsive, impenetrable. When they try to insult you, give them nothing. No anger, no sadness, just silence. Silence is not weakness. It is the loudest sound in the room. It tells them, "You are insignificant to me." It's not personal. Epictetus taught us that people act according to their own twisted view of the world. When someone is rude to you, it is rarely about you. It is a projection of their own internal misery. They are at war with themselves, and you just happened to be in the way. Stop taking their poison personally. Treat them like a storm or a barking dog. You don't get angry at a dog for barking. It's just what dogs do. Toxic people spread toxicity. It's their nature. Expect it, and it won't hurt you. Weapon number 4. Protect your inner citadel. Imagine your mind is a fortress. You are the gatekeeper. You decide who enters. Why would you let a dirty, angry person walk into your living room with muddy boots? Yet we let them into our minds all day long. We think about their insults in the shower. We argue with them in our heads before sleeping. Stop it. Evict them from your head. Your mind is sacred territory. Lock the gate. Weapon number 5. Contemptuous pity. This is a brutal but effective shift in perspective. Instead of hating them, pity them. Think about how miserable it must be to be inside their head, to be constantly angry, jealous, and insecure. That is a hell they carry with them everywhere. You can walk away from them, but they cannot walk away from themselves. When you realize this, you don't feel anger, you feel pity. And it is impossible to be intimidated by someone you pity. You cannot control the behavior of others, but you can control your reaction. The next time a toxic person tries to provoke you, remember, you are the rock. The storm crashes against you and falls away to nothing. If you are ready to reclaim your peace, subscribe to the Inner Citadel and comment below. I am the rock.